The 2025 Isuzu Trooper SUV makes a bold comeback, blending rugged capability with modern technology to offer a versatile driving experience. With its boxy yet refined design, the Trooper stays true to its off-road heritage while incorporating contemporary styling elements. The front grille is larger and more aggressive, flanked by LED headlights that enhance visibility in all conditions. The muscular body lines and high ground clearance give it an imposing presence, making it perfect for both urban streets and rugged terrains. Skid plates, roof rails, and durable alloy wheels add to its practicality, ensuring it's ready for any adventure. Under the hood, the 2025 Trooper comes equipped with a range of powerful and efficient engine options. The standard model features a 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine, delivering impressive torque for towing and off-road performance. For those who prefer petrol, a 3.6-liter V6 option is available, providing smooth acceleration and highway cruising capability. Isuzu also introduces a mild hybrid variant, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. The SUV is paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless gear shifts and better fuel economy. With an intelligent all-wheel drive system and terrain management modes, the Trooper adapts to different surfaces, from snow-covered roads to rocky trails. Inside, the 2025 Trooper balances durability with comfort. The cabin features high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces, leather-trimmed seats, and wood or aluminum accents, depending on the trim level. The dashboard is equipped with a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Isuzu's latest navigation system. A premium sound system provides an immersive audio experience, making long drives more enjoyable. The spacious interior comfortably accommodates 5 to 7 passengers, with rear seats that can be folded down for additional cargo space. Ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and customizable ambient lighting further enhance the premium feel of the SUV. When it comes to safety, the Trooper is designed with advanced features to protect both passengers and pedestrians. Standard safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system provides a clear view of the surroundings, making parking and maneuvering easier. Off-road safety is also prioritized, with hill descent control and traction management ensuring stability on challenging terrains. Isuzu's reinforced chassis and multiple airbags provide extra protection in case of a collision, making the Trooper one of the safest SUVs in its segment. Overall, the 2025 Isuzu Trooper is built for those who seek adventure without compromising on comfort and technology. With its powerful engine options, rugged off-road capabilities, spacious interior, and advanced safety features, it's an ideal SUV for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who values durability and reliability. Whether navigating city streets or conquering tough trails, the Trooper is ready for the journey ahead.